Now a question is a bullet of mass which is 10 grams. So mass is equal to 10 gram, which is in kilogram 0.01 kilogram. Traveling horizontally with a velocity of 150. So velocity is 150 meter second inverse. So fast. Strikes a stationary wooden block and come to rest. So this actually this v is our u, because its initial velocity. Now see, wooden block, after time it will be at rest, so v is equal to 0, final will be 0, in time t is equal to 0.03 second. Now calculate the distance of penetration of the bullet into the block. So that we have to find. See, first equation we don't have any distance, second equation we have that distance in that second equation, so we can use that. So that s is equal to ut plus half at square, right? So from this we can find distance, but we don't have acceleration in this formula, so also we can't use this formula. So third equation of motion, which is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, right? So now here acceleration we can find from here, right? Acceleration simple formula. What is acceleration? So final minus initial upon time. What is final? 0 minus 150 upon 0.03. So that will be minus 1 5, right? 0 0 0 by 3, so that will be 5000. That is our acceleration meter second to inverse. Now this formula we need to put in this formula, right, to find s. So now we can put it anywhere, right? So students, if you want this note, just screenshot it and then after we can remove, right? So I can remove this now after you took screenshot. Now see here acceleration, right? Acceleration now we have, that is 5000 meter second to inverse. Okay, earlier we discussed about final velocity, that is 0, and initial, that is 150 meter second inverse. Okay, now first we have to find distance, right? So s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now we can use this also. So is equal to u 150 into 0.03 plus 1 by 2 into a is minus 5000, right? So minus 5000 into t square, 0.03 square. So 150 into 0.03, right? So by 100, 1.5 into 3, 4.5, 4.5 plus, now see 2500, 1 by 2 into 5000 is 2500, but here one mistake is there, minus I have to write because here minus sign. So 2500 into 0.00, right? So 00, actually 3 by 100, 3 by 100 into 3 by 100, so 3 times 0 and then 9, right? So 4.5 minus here 2500 upon 10,000, so that will be 0.25 into into 9, sorry, so 0.25 into 9, so here it is approximately 4.5 minus 0. Approximately it is 20, right? So here answer will be 4.3. So 4.3 meter approximate answer, that is the penetration distance. So again students, you can screenshot this screen and then after we can calculate the magnitude of force So then now we can find one second, right? So now force formula, what is force formula? F is equal to mass into acceleration. Now magnitude of the force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet. So mass, that is 10 gram, so 0.01 into acceleration. So acceleration, earlier we found that minus 5000. So here answer will be by 100, so 50 minus 50 Newton. So this is the force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet. So that is our correct answer in Newton.